So why are you getting so many calls about going solar? The people selling solar know that the incentives are ripe for both the homeowner and the installer. You should be curious what this is all about. There are two incentives now available that make it financially appealing to go solar: the 30% federal tax credit and the New Jersey Solar Renewable Energy Credits. New Jersey energy companies must produce a minimum of 3.2% energy from solar. In order to meet the requirement, they use your power generation and pay you for every 1,000 kilowatt hours produced in the form of a solar renewable energy credit, currently set at around $220. You may be thinking, what's the harm in waiting a year or two to go solar? Solar incentives, both the federal tax credit and the solar renewable energy credit, are set to decrease over time. The cost of public electricity historically has risen, and equally important, if you're planning on financing, interest rates are affordable right now. These financial incentives are extremely generous, especially in New Jersey. They're helping to cover the cost of solar panels installation. This is why you hear people say that their total electric bill was in the single digits. New Jersey has one of the most aggressive legislations in place for renewable energy. Currently, electric companies are required to produce 5% from renewable energy sources, 21% by 2020, 35% by 2025, and 50% by 2030. That will leave a huge carve-out for solar. So why not go solar when the incentives are great? By going solar, you beat the annual rise in electric utility cost. Instead, lock in a much lower monthly cost, saving you thousands of dollars over the years. Once you decide to go solar, let a professional help you with the planning. There are many variables to go over. What is your power demand? How much solar power can be created? And there's a unique optimal design for each roof and every owner. Request a free quote. You may even want multiple quotes so you can feel comfortable knowing you're securing a good investment. You can expect they will ask for a copy of your electric bill, which shows a snapshot of your 12-month usage, and a look at an aerial view of your roof for panel position and shading. Ask for a Tier 1 panels installation. You want a reliable solar installation connecting you to the grid and to your savings. Just like any investment, you have options: cash purchase, leased, and financed. We'll present you with all of your options. Installation is not complicated. It only takes a few days for a home installation. However, financing, permits, installation, and utility connections can take 3 to 5 weeks. Commercial installations will take longer. I'm Francine Carranza. Please call me to request your free quote and let me help you with your solar project.